Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Chef here again. Today recipe we're gonna make the spicy meatball, and we're gonna serve with tagliatelle. And tagliatelle is like a spaghetti. Tagliatelle is Italian. It's a kind of spaghetti, and this is as popular as spaghetti, kind of Italian pasta. So before I start meatball, I will tell you my ingredients, and if you miss ingredients, so you can go back and you can follow that ingredient. Okay, I'm gonna start now. Okay guys, this is my ingredients. So for meatball, I got that lamb mince, and I got here is breadcrumbs, black pepper, cumin powder, salt, garam masala, mixed herb, and chili flakes. I got 1 spoon ginger here. I got garlic, and I'm gonna use this as a fresh coriander. And the sauce, I already made this before, so because this video is gonna be a bit longer if I make this, so what I'm gonna do next video, I'm gonna tell you how to make the sauce as well. With sauce, I'm gonna use some spices as well. So when I'm gonna make it, and I will tell you what ingredient I'm gonna put in there. Okay, and I'm gonna serve this meatball with tagliatelle. So okay guys, I'm going to start it. First I'm gonna mix some spices in mince. Okay guys, first I'm gonna put this breadcrumb in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my 2 tablespoons of salt, cumin powder, 1.5 spoon cumin powder, two spoon of black pepper, one spoon garam masala, mixed herb, 1.5 spoon mixed herb, one and a half spoon chili flakes, 2 spoon ginger, and 2 spoon of garlic. Okay guys, now I'm gonna mix this. It's better to mix it with the hand, and I got to put 1 egg in there. When I mix it, then then I will put 1 egg in there. Okay guys, I have got 1 egg. So mix it nicely. Okay guys, this is nicely mix all the spices. Okay guys, now I'm gonna make a side of meatball. Make a nicely round meatball. You should wet your hand, so you want to stick with your hand meat. So I'm gonna make all this. Okay guys, this nearly finished. I use 1 kg mince, and from 1 kg I made 25 meatball. So it's not very small or it's not big. It's just a medium size. Okay, so all this ready. So I'm gonna fry it now. Okay guys, I'm gonna use some olive oil in there. So get the oil to get hot. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put meatballs on there. Try to put all in one. It should be okay. Okay guys, just keep it turning over after 1.5 minutes. Okay, just keep turning when it's one side get well done. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, it's now nicely becoming brown. Okay, so this is nearly done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just leave this on one side, and I'm gonna make a sauce. Alright. Okay guys, this is done, yeah? I'm gonna move this on one side. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put this sauce in there. Then I'm gonna use a little bit mixer. This near half spoon of black pepper. Half spoon of garam masala. 1.5 salt. About 1 spoon chili flakes. Now I'm gonna mix this, and I'm gonna put some fresh chopped coriander in there when it's nearly ready. Put together. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put meatballs in there. And I'm gonna use same oil which I use for meatball. And then I'm gonna leave this for slow heat. Okay guys, this meatball is ready. I'm just waiting for tagliatelle to get ready, and now I'm gonna put some fresh coriander on here. And mix this all. It's guys, it's very nice smell. This will be delicious. And when you're making it, you can use pasta, or you can use spaghetti, whatever you got easily you can get hold on. Okay guys. So I'm gonna turn this off. I'm just waiting for that to get ready. Okay guys, this meatball is ready and tagliatelle is ready. So I'm gonna take it out in a dish. Okay guys. Okay guys, this my dish is ready. Meatball served with sauce and tagliatelle. What do you think about it? It's very nice and delicious. It smells very nice. You should try to make it and let me know how you made and what you think about it in comment section. Okay guys, thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.